Need a hard money loan for your fix and flip? Forget the paperwork pile and phone tag. This isn't the 90s. This is Craybrid. First, hit that Apply Now button. Applying as an individual? No problem. Need to add a borrower? Easy. If it's just you, enter your borrower details. No guarantor is required. Borrowing as a company? Select Company. Add in your company details. Toss in the guarantor, or even two. No hassle, no red tape. Next, your transaction details, property info, and a quick survey. We swear it's painless. Then, declarations, credit pull, digital signature, all clean, all above board. You're almost there. Check your email, verify, submit. Now it's time to finish setting up your account and dive into the borrower portal. Click into Documents. Upload your stuff. We keep things moving. No mess, no missed steps. This is Craybrid. Tech-powered, transparency-loaded, ridiculously simple.